Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today we are going to discuss project management for beginner. So if you're just starting a project management journey or you want to brush up your basic knowledge, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So first thing first, what exactly the project management is? Well, project management is the process of leading a team to achieve specific goals within a specified time frame. It's about planning, organizing, and managing resources to bring a project to life. Think of it as turning idea into reality. So once you understand what is project management, the next thing is understanding what kind of skills required for managing a project. And to be a successful project manager, you need few skills. In fact, you need quite a skill. And the communication is the key skill which you need at most. Remember, communication is crucial for keeping everyone on the same page. It's a big part of the job. Leadership is another must-have, as you will be guiding your team to success. And of course, problem-solving skills are essential for tackling challenges head-on. And remember, these project management skills you're going to apply at various phases of the project. So, in the project management, you have basically 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and then closure itself. Initiation, this is where you define the project and get approval. Planning, here you outline the roadmap and set goal and determine the resources needed. Execution, this is the action phase where plan is just put into motion. Monitoring and control, during this phase, you track the progress and make adjustment as needed. Finally, the closure. You complete the project and review what went well and what could be improved. So, while working on these phases, you will need various project management tools to work your done efficiently. And for this, you will need to know some knowledge about the project management tool. And there are several project management tools available which you can learn to do your activity efficient way and meet your project objective. As a beginner, you will want to get familiarized with some essential project management tools like Trello. Trello is a great visual task management with board and card. Asana is another perfect tool which is for detailed project planning and team coordination. Also, Microsoft Projects offer robust features for scheduling and resource management. Finding this tool and working on this tool with your team is key aspect while you're overall managing a project. So let's go over some common mistakes which you should be avoiding while working as a new project manager. First one is overcommitting. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Be realistic about what you can achieve and what cannot. Second one is lack of communication. Remember, communication in a right time, in a right quantity with the right people can make wonder for your project. So keep your team and stakeholder in loop. Third one is poor planning. Spend enough time in planning phases to avoid chaos later. Learn from this and set yourself for success. Finally, a piece of advice for all new project managers. Don't afraid to seek help and keep learning. Project management is a journey. The continuous learning is a key for long-term success. So keep learning and believe yourself and your ability to lead your team to success. So there you have it. Project management for beginner. Tell me which advice you like most in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to comment below and we would love to help you out. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.